All right, let's get straight into it. I'm going to be making the dessert first. Welcome back to Misha's Corner. And today I'm going to show you how I make dinner and dessert. So just a quick shortcut apple crisp. Literally, I just threw something together. And I'm just, it's quick and easy. So I added to a pan with some nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla. I'm not adding sugar here because I'm going to add sugar to the crust. Speaking of the crust, it's going to be oats, flour, sugar, a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar, butter, and a splash of water. Don't forget all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, as well as make sure if you love Misha's Corner, you want to be in my business, I have a tiny little vlog right after this meal is completed. If you want to check it out. Let me know what you think. And that's it. So you want to grate the butter down in here. You can cut it up. I grated it because it's faster. And then I'm going to mix it up until it all becomes a crumble. Alright, so now I'm just going to take the crumble and sprinkle it over top, pop it in the oven, and that's it. It's done. Dessert is done. Super cheap to make. It's probably $5 to make this dessert. Okay, I'm pushing it, but it's super cheap to make. It could serve up to 4 people. You just top it with some ice cream and you're good to go. Now, tonight I'm making a quick stir fry with some asparagus, some shallots, some peppers, some garlic. You could pretty much use any vegetable you prefer. This is what I had on hand, and I'm using pad thai noodles. Now, is this traditional? No. Do I care? No. All I know is this is the second time I'm making this week because it's super delicious, easy to make, and very few ingredients. My bad for my slurring, y'all. Y'all know my mouth is on the construction. If you're new here, that's what's going on. All right, so the sauce is hot honey, soy sauce, sesame oil, water, and cornstarch and sesame seeds. Super simple, few ingredients. And I'm going to put it all in a bowl and mix it up, and that's the sauce. So now we can finally get to cooking so y'all can see my favorite meal this week. All right, so I have some butter on the skillet on medium heat, and I'm going to add my chicken, on one side. Make sure you spread it out, and you want to make sure your chicken is not super cold. Don't be cooking no cold chicken, because a lot of y'all be trying to make my recipes and mess it up because you want to cook cold steak and cold chicken and cold sausage. Make sure your stuff is up to room temp. Next, I'm going to add all the veggies down in here once I flip the chicken over. About a minute per side. It's cut pretty thin, so you don't want to overcook it. Then I'm going to add the sauce after I get the vegetables to my desired tenderness. After that happens, I'm going to add my noodles. Make sure you follow the directions on the back of the box. These are not spaghetti noodles. Read the directions on the back of the box. Thank you. And look at that, my mouth watering. Look how good that looks. All right, so now I'm gonna make the juice. So I found this passion fruit thing. I've been putting it in my juices, my smoothies, but tonight I'm making lemonade, frozen lemonade. The good thing about passion fruit is that it's super tart, so I don't have to cut any lemons and do anything. So all you need is ice, sugar, water. And that's it, and you're good to go. Blend it up, and that's it. Now let me put it all together and let y'all see what it looks like. So look how beautiful coated this noodle is with the tender pieces of chicken and the asparagus and the peppers and the shallots and the garlic. It smells amazing in my house. Only thing this is missing is some egg rolls, some wontons, some something. But, you already doing enough with the noodles. You don't want to overdo it. Look at this juice. It was so, oh my God. If y'all go to Whole Foods or H-E-B, make sure you get some frozen passion fruit. It's so good. This is how the apple crisp quote looks. And I'm just gonna put it in this little ramekin with some ice cream, and that's it. Like, we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you stay tuned for my little mini vlog. I love you guys so much, and I'm going to go now. All right, so this was me getting my feet done, getting ready to go on a mini vacation with my sugar daddy, sure enough. And pretty much I had to get my feet, my nails, because I wanted to match my outfits. And I'm sorry for how this is recorded. I only documented it for my TikTok, and so therefore, you know, I had to shrink it down for it to fit YouTube so y'all could see what's going on. So I also got some Starbucks before we left, and then we were on the road to go. And this was the hotel room. It was just so nice. I can't wait for y'all to see the view and everything I was doing, but this is the hotel room. This was my view. Like I said, you know, if you want to see this stuff better, you can visit my TikTok and check it out. I already know my crazy self set up this tiny little mini bar. Just look at me. Just I was acting up. I'm not good. I was acting up, but I had so much fun, and it was well worth it and much needed. But y'all, this crashes and go downhill as the days go by. Ooh, look at me looking cute, honey. Yes. And then we stopped at a pizza place, got some pizza because that's what I wanted. And so we ate this pizza. It was okay. It wasn't that good. Look at the view by the pool, you guys. Look at this view. Like, I'm obsessed. Oh, see me there? Me look good. See me there? I was in the pool having fun. A little nail cam, feet cam. Pretty much just having a good time by the pool, doing my thing and enjoying the views. I'm definitely coming back here, and I can't wait. That's me looking cute. The next morning, we got up and went and got breakfast. I got the oatmeal and fruit because I wasn't really in the mood for much. This is what he got. He got an omelet, potatoes, which looked great, by the way. The brown sugar mixture they gave me, I put it in there. Next, we stopped at Kroger to get some snacks, but then I also saw Starbucks. So why wouldn't I get it? Look at me. Oh, period. I need my Starbucks. His and her snacks. Look at his snack compared to my snack. I tried, y'all. I tried to be good, but I wasn't that good on the trip at all. Like, I crashed my diet completely to hell. Period. Okay. The food in the hotel was pretty good. It was really good. This is all the food from the hotel we ordered and went and got it and came back up. This is the views from my room at night. It was, oh my God. You guys, I cannot wait to go back and just chill. Like, it's super chill here. So the next day, we decided to go out, hang out or whatever. I was looking cute, all happy and all this, that, and the third. And y'all, look what happened. Child, we got into a wreck. We got into a wreck. I didn't even tell y'all what happened because I know y'all love me. And I didn't want y'all to be all dramatic. But I'm good. We're fine. Everything's good. So anyway, later on that weekend, well, I don't know what day this was. I decided to give myself some self-care, clean my retainer. I just wanted to show y'all what I do at night. So I clean my retainer. I put it in my little thing to sanitize it. I do my face care, my foot care, and then I'll just be chilling. Love y'all. Bye.